Hi everybody, welcome to another information video from HGCodedWelding.com. Today we're going to be looking at the Hitachi G12SS grinder. We're going to be unboxing this one, see what we get inside. You get the instructional leaflet with the guarantee. This is a 240 model grinder, as you can see the plug. You get a side handle. I'm right-handed, so I put the handle in the left hand obviously. There's a right-handed thread there if you need it. There's a button on the gearbox there for locking the spindle, so when you come to change the disc you can just hold the gearbox in the lock position. Mount the disc the right way up. The writing should be on the top when you're using the grinder. And also in the box we get the spanner in case you get a jam. Don't forget, push the locking button down first before you use the spanner to loosen your disc. So that's it in essence. That's the little grinder that we're going to be selling in our shop very shortly.